So this video will show you how to add planning time to your schedule as well as locking your schedule at the end of the week. Okay, so to add your planning time, you just want to open up your schedule. And let's say I want to add an hour of planning time for this week. You come up to the green plus sign up here that says create a new appointment. Okay, I want to add it for today. I want to add the hour, so I want to put it at, let's say, 3:30 to 4:30. I'm going to label it in the subject box here, planning time. And I'm going to check that my pay code is set on planning time. Now, when you open up to add an appointment, it's automatically set to planning time, but you just want to make sure. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to click OK. And there it is in the blue there. And all I have to do is just click Save. Okay, and it's saved. To lock your schedule at the end of the week, and this is important because you want to get paid, is you come up to Staff and click on this button here, and you want to just lock it for whichever day you finished teaching for that week, whether it's Thursday or Friday, and then you click I affirm this statement. I'm not going to click it right now for myself because this is the beginning of the week for me, but you click I affirm this statement, and then after you've clicked that, the date will show that you've put in, and all you have to do is save it once again. And that's it.